Today, I'm walking you through how to convert a multi-gear cassette bike into a single speed setup. I've actually done this on my own commuter bike, and it's simpler than it looks, but there are a few things you need to get right. First up, you'll remove the rear wheel and take off the cassette using a chain whip and lock ring tool. Once that's off, you pick your single cog size. This is key for getting your chain tension right. Next, you'll space the cog so it lines up with your chain ring. I used spacers from the old cassette, and it worked perfectly. Then you'll shorten the chain and set tension. If your bike doesn't have horizontal dropouts, a chain tensioner is a lifesaver. After that, it's all about tightening everything back up and checking alignment. Honestly, riding it after the conversion feels super clean. Less noise, less maintenance, and a really direct feel on the pedals. If you've got an old geared bike lying around, this is a fun weekend upgrade worth trying. Just take your time with spacing and chain length, and you'll get a really smooth, reliable ride out of it.